If Google Chrome is opening to an untitled blank page, or your browser is freezing before any page loads, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is a common issue, and the good news is that you usually do not need any advanced steps to get Chrome working again. We're going to start with the easiest fixes first, then move into the settings that often cause blank pages, loading problems, and browser freezes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is restart your computer. It may sound basic, but a simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches, stuck processes, and small memory issues that may be stopping Chrome from loading properly. Close Chrome completely, restart your PC or laptop, and once the system is back on, open Chrome again and check if the blank page is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If Chrome is still opening to a blank untitled page, the next step is to turn off graphics acceleration. Sometimes, hardware acceleration can conflict with your graphics driver or system settings and cause Chrome to freeze, display a blank screen, or fail to render pages correctly. To do this, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click System, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. Once Chrome opens again, test it and see if the page loads normally. If the problem is still happening, the next fix is to clear your browsing data. Over time, cached files and cookies can become corrupted and interfere with Chrome's startup process. To clear them quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time, then make sure the boxes for cached images and files and cookies and other site data are checked. Once you've selected those, click Clear Data. After the cleanup finishes, close and reopen Chrome and see if the blank page issue is resolved. Now, if Chrome still isn't loading properly, the next thing to check is your extensions. Sometimes an extension can freeze the browser, break the startup process, or cause a blank tab to appear instead of your home page. To test this, type Chrome//extensions into the address bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Turn them off one by one, or disable them all temporarily so you can check whether one of them is causing the issue. After disabling the extensions, restart Chrome and try loading a page again. If Chrome starts working normally, then one of those add-ons was likely the cause. If you want to go a step further, you can also turn the extensions back on one at a time to find the exact one that is causing the problem. That way, you can remove only the bad extension and keep the ones you actually need. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Chrome untitled blank page problem and get your browser loading properly again. Start with the restart, then turn off graphics acceleration, clear the browsing data, and finally disable extensions if needed. These fixes solve the issue for a lot of users without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.